we've just hitched the lift back to the wobbly house with this amazing canoe guy. What was your name again?
It's Tom.
It's Tom. The SAS said we wouldn't get here for 3 days, but hey, Tom got us here. Bit scared. We're going in. Yeah, all good. Uh-oh.
Just keep your...
Yeah, don't let the boat go.
Yeah, that cupboard's falling.
Alright. Yeah, we've just...
Well done, Tom.
Well done, Tom, thank you.
Oh, sorry, James, this is not really good.
It doesn't. It always looks like that. Just there we left it. Oh, fuck.
Do you want to... I'll just squeeze past you and rip that kayak up.
Oh, yeah. Doesn't really look brilliant, eh? That's...
Oh, me cupboard.
Hey, your clothes could be worse. Oh, yeah, look. Oh, fuck. We bought the bikes in. Put the bikes in now. Just hang on. Just moving some obstructions. Oh. You okay?
Just be careful as we're in as well, because who knows what the structure's like. It's look.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's the spare room. There's my furniture on there. We just got that one nice, really. Yeah, this doesn't look good. It smells a bit as well. It's a new air conditioner. Yeah, wallpaper's coming off the walls. The bedroom. Oh yeah, it smells pretty bad. It's still standing. That's good. We can work on that. There's the angle. Alright, you making room there? You can get round here probably. There's my expensive Byron Bay lamp. I rescued the lovely, or I helped rescue the lovely Mim out of the forest yesterday, out of the flood, and she said we had to learn to let go. And yeah, there's our pets are dead. I can see some of our pets.
Can you see bodies?
There's a body there, baby. Yeah, it looks fucked. Yeah, we bought the guinea pigs upstairs. Gonna catch you up.
Was that crap there?
Yeah, that's normal.
No, it's fine. Just wondering if we should be moving that movement or not.
Yeah, no.
And this?
Hold on.
That's new.
Alright, then I think we should not be moving around too much.
Yes.
Alright,
It's a very wobbly old house.
brand new fridge. Yeah. I just, I'll be very careful. I'm just looking for the other pets because,
She's dead. I'm sure they're all dead.
yeah, but you never know. There's some stuff there that I was hoping isn't broken. It isn't. That's good. I just found my old jumper thing that I had a while. That's good. But hey, this is looking pretty fucked. And we're a bit worried. There's holes in the roof that wasn't there. The water's been up to the roof, obviously. The what?
Just a little bit.
Oh, I thought you meant the pigs. I'll just have a quick look at the bathroom and... Yeah, thank you, Tom. It's, you know, there's a washing machine.